tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can check if Matplotlib is installed into your system or not. So in order to check this, first you need to open your VS Code, and then once you are inside your VS Code, you need to head on to the terminal. Then in the terminal, you need to type in the following command, which is pip show matplotlib. Once you have entered the command, simply hit the enter button. And here you can see that we have retrieved the information about the version and other details as well. This means that the Matplotlib is installed and working in your system. If that had not been the case, then it would have simply shown an error or a module not found message. So that's it for this video. I will see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well. Comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.